guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I received a super sweet gift from a subscriber and I just wanted to open it up and share with you guys what she sent me. Her name is Laura and she is a neighbor in Illinois. As you know, I'm from Wisconsin, so all I did was take it out of the box and I'm going to open it on here with you guys. So pretty already. I love this tissue paper. Super pretty. Oh, dove hearts. I've got to keep these away from my daughters because they will definitely steal them. And all of this pretty pink shred. I love all the colors. Oh, look at these. So she put in with the shred little heart beads. That's such a cute idea to add that to it. Look at all those little ones. Thank you so much. That is such a cute idea. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, look at all this fun stuff. Okay, so first of all, there is this, oh my God, this perfectly created rosette. You had to have sewn this in the middle, right? Oh, and look at the glitter around it. Oh my gosh, Laura, you did such a great job on that. And then she has it layered up with two stickers, a heart sticker and an adore sticker. That is so cute. The ones I just made, I did the folding, but I love the way it looks when you sew it and pull it together. The ripples are so pretty. That is gorgeous. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm a little crooked here. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to go for next. We'll do this because it's open. These are cute little cupcake felt stickers and I never picked these up this year. So thank you. They come in the chocolate and the vanilla. Adorable. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this little, did you make that? Look at this little, it's like plastic or rubber and it's filled with these sequins and it's got a little grommet in it. So you can hang it, you can create a little dangle with it. So cute. And she's got a little heart on there. Adorable. Okay, this box is so freaking cute. Okay. Let me open it. Love that you made the box as well. Oh, look at the top is a shaker. Girl, you're creative. That is so cute. That is so cute. I might have to steal this idea. I just bought some acetate. Look at that. Very cute. Oh, and these teeny tiny little flowers. Oh my gosh, those are so small. I'm trying to see if I have one in comparison. I don't even have one that I rolled, but mine are not this tiny. That is so cute. So she's got 5 of those in there and another little rosette. Girl, your rosettes are beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start sewing mine. That just looks so nice. They're so thick too. So cute. Oh, let me take the little flowers out and let me move this out of the way. Look at how cute those are. I'm absolutely in love with those. Okay, and then she's got, oh my gosh, a little tag in here with the cutest little tassel. Look at that. Oh, and a paper clip, like a planner charm. I'm definitely going to use that in my planner. That is adorable. Very cute. Oh, and a sequin mix. I love that red. Is this the Hobby Lobby one with the, it's like sparkles on it and it's flat? That is so cute. And she's got little white seed beads in there. Not even seed beads. They're like little tubes. That is so pretty. Oh, thank you so much. You did not have to do this. This is just beautiful. Here's some more beads. Okay, I have got to get into these. This is a Julie Nutting stamp, right? A couple swap groups that I'm in, the girls make these and they're so pretty. And look at her like with her Valentine dress on. I know exactly where I'm gonna hang her. That is so cute. I've got to get one, I think. The way you can do their dresses, that is just, it's so neat. So stylish. Okay, another little box. Okay, your box game is strong. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. Okay. Oh my gosh. Seriously, girl, you did not have to do this. Look at these beautiful wood pieces. Hearts, love. Oh my goodness. Oh, so 3 of the large loves, a small love, and 4 of these hearts. They are so pretty. That one's got birds on it. That's so pretty. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh my God, and there's even more. This, you seriously did not have to send all this. Okay, there's something wrapped, but before I get to that, there's these cute little stickers. Oh my gosh, I love how they're iridescent. They have such a neat texture on them, and some are puffy and some are flat. Those are really cool. Is that Target? Are these from Target? Oh my gosh, oh no, that's Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree did not have these. That is so cute. Oh, I love those. And then something wrapped here in the tissue paper. Oh my gosh, look at you. You used up your felt hearts too. Good job. It is like this loaded bundle of goodness. So first of all, she has it threaded together with this really cute, can you see that? It's like conversation heart ribbon. That is so adorable. And more of those little flowers there. A little rosette. Oh, this is cute. Look at this paper clip. So she put a punch on each heart and then put a jump ring on there. So it would almost be like a banner. That's a really cute idea. Let me get this off of there. I want to show you guys. Look at it. So it stays flat. So yeah, it's like a banner heart. That is a really clever idea. I love that. Very, very cute. Oh my gosh. And a little heart pick. I love that pink. Oh my gosh. These are what I was trying to create. I love the layers. And you did a washi tape ribbon. That is such a cute idea. And then you layered it up. Oh, and look at, that's a button on that jump ring. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, girl, you are so creative. Little altered paper clip with hearts. Heart stickers, I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, an altered perfume bottle with a shaker. It's a shaker perfume bottle. Oh, that is so cute. Look at in there, she picked out the pink hearts. I'm assuming it's from that Michaels mix because I have the same one. It's red and white and pink. She just picked out the pink hearts and matched it with the gold. That's a beautiful mix. That is so pretty. And there's a little XO sticker on there. Oh, that is so, so pretty. I can't wait to display this stuff. Okay, here's the heart. Look at, that is the cutest ribbon. Oh my gosh, and I love that you cut it here. I would have never thought to do that. That's adorable. That is such a great idea. Oh my gosh, Laura, if you have an Instagram, put it in the comments below and I'll add it to my, well, I know you have an Instagram because you followed me or you messaged me on Instagram, but I just want to make sure that I have it correct so I can put it down there for everybody else to look at your creations if you post anything on there. So cute. And another one of the rosettes. Oh, and these are the smaller ones from Dollar Tree this year. So she did another, she looped them together with yarn with this one. So there's 2 of them. And then she added the string so you can hang it up. And then she embellished with this little, oh, what do you call it? Like a ribbon. And then she's got like an enamel rose on there and some sequins glued on. So cute. Oh my gosh, and this trim, look at this trim. That is so neat. Oh, Laura, you totally spoiled me. Oh my gosh, look at, here's another bead. I gotta make sure that I have everything. This was so sweet of you. You certainly did not have to do this, but I appreciate everything that you sent. I cannot wait to display it in my craft room. And like I said, let me know your crafty Instagram so I can share it with everybody. Your work is just beautiful, and I'm sure as much as you said you learned from me, I know that I can learn from you because I'm copying some of these techniques. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.